Happy times, happy times.
Okay? All right, let's do it. Mighty Dow, you're going to participate in the Tumba Festival. Rumba den Tumba is the name of your Tumba. How did you wind up here? Because you're a Calypsonian.
Yeah, well, I mean, the people of Curacao, right? They're very special to me, And I visited. It's been a long time since I haven't done a show in Curacao, and most of them thought that maybe I went to Spain and not coming back. But I was here, St. Martin. So I came to Curacao a couple of years ago, 2013. So Curacao people asked me, "What's happening? We don't hear from you. What's happening?" So I promised them that I'll be back for the Tumba Festival, and they thought I was joking. So I called them in 2014 and say, in 2015, I'm coming for the 45 years celebration. So that's why I'm here. Everybody called me, Even Kiko Pasando called me on the phone. Dao, ¿qué pasa? ¿Qué falta Kubo? Would that be enough? No,
So you're here.
So I'm here.
Okay. You're going to participate Rumba den Tumba. Are you going to sing it in Papiamento, in English, a mixture? What can we expect?
A mixture, man. But 90% Papiamento. 90%. Yeah. Now, I know you want me to speak Papiamento to you, but I already signed the agreement. This week, I'm not allowed to speak Papiamento at all. But next week, after I sing, I can speak all the Papiamento. But it's going to be good. I'm, taking part with Wisu band. I think it's quite an experience for me. It's the first time I'm going to do Tumba. But yeah, I'm loving it. So the people going to expect a great show for sure.
Why Tumba? Why not the Calypso Festival?
Well, okay, because it's a challenge for me, I mean, the Tumba, it's a challenge. The rhythm is different. Calypso and soca is either 2/4, 4/4, and the Tumba is 6/8, tan 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 tan. So it's a challenge for me, So, but I love it every day. I'm thankful because every day we get to practice piece by piece, And I love the time because by next week I'm ready, man. Yeah. Oh yeah. Celebrar, man.
We had a Dutch guy last year performing with Wisu also, Maarten Schakel, and he also had problems with the rhythm. How are you going to do it?
Hey, if you see Maarten Schakel, right? I love them. And did you enjoy them?
Yes.
Well, you're gonna join me 4 times more. 4 times as much. Oh yeah. Maybe 16 times that. So not a problem with that, No, it's not. I didn't sing, and I'm not used to singing Tumba, but I always dance Tumba. Hey, you know what I mean? Hey, hey. So it's gotta be something. It's gotta be hoping great, man. I'm having fun here with all the people. It's gotta be something, yeah.
Okay. But the Tumba, what can you tell us about the Tumba itself?
Well, the Tumba, the story is, just like I say, everybody's calling me, and people know me best for my hit song, St. Martin Rumba, 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 St. Martin Rumba, Rumba. So, like that's a catch. I said, okay, so we have the Tumba, so I have to bring some Rumba into the Tumba, so that's why I did make a combination. And I think it's a good year because it's 45 year celebration. So I'm not singing about politics, I'm not singing no dubbelzinnig dingen, so it's just celebration time, Let's have some fun for the 45 years. I think this is a great milestone that we reached 45. I'm at 50 years now, though I look 25, but I'm at 50 years now, so, and it's good when you celebrate these sort of years into the business. So I feel happy about that. So I thank all the people for the cooperation, for the many calls when they think I was just joking. So now it's serious, and I have to tell you, the people of Curacao, I mean, they always treat me nice, and they're treating me double nice now. So, yeah.
Are you going to bring people also from St. Martin to the festival? Because last year Martin brought a lot of Dutch people for the first time to the Tumba Festival. Are they coming from St. Martin to Curacao Festival Center?
Natuurlijk, pas seguro. I mean, I'm on Facebook, we promoted the best way we could. People from St. Martin still didn't believe it until, the inschrijving on Sunday. So it's true. So now That's everybody's gonna come now. Most of the family. I'm a York. The York is a big family in St. Martin. If all are not coming, most of them coming.
So it's going to be a St. Martin bash there.
It's gonna be a St. Martin bash mixed with curacao, a yambo. I mean, barbecue, chicken leg, and Johnny cake, everything. Turcos. And we have a little Chinese soup in between too, you know, like Chinese St. Martin.
Okay, good luck.
No, it's nice for you to talk to me. I want to tell the people from Curacao and all over the world, come on out. You don't want to miss this festival. It's going to be something, and I'm sure many people are going to be. This is going to be remembered as one of the most exciting or one of the most memorable ones for sure. You know, thank you.
Thank you.
Vision